Hi Year 1. Our new topic for maths is position and direction. And we are going to be learning different types of turn. So as you can see, I'm a ballerina. We're going to be first learning how to do a whole turn. Fantastic, and a whole turn is like this, where we turn all the way round in a circle, so we're facing the same direction at the start and at the finish. Okay, let me do it again, watch. A whole turn. Lovely. Now the second one we're going to do is a half turn. Okay, watch. So we finish facing the opposite direction. We only turn halfway round the circle. Okay, let's do the last one. Okay, the last one is a quarter turn. Okay, and for a quarter turn, we turn a quarter of the way around the circle. So watch. So we finish only facing a quarter of the way. That's the smallest turn we do, okay? So let's practice. Are you ready? Back to the beginning. Okay. Whole turn. Good. Whole turn the other way. Half turn. Quarter turn. Fantastic. Practice that at home, okay? Now we're going to learn some new vocab words for the rest of the week. Okay, so the next words we're going to learn are also to do with position and direction, okay? So the first one is forward. Now we all know what that means, don't we? If I was standing right back here and you told me to move forward, I would move straight on in front of me. Yeah? I wouldn't go backwards, I go forwards. Yeah? Okay, the next one is above. Above. Lovely. Okay, so let me show you my story stones, and I'm going to describe the position of one of my story stones, okay? Okay, here are my story stones. I've got lots of different ones, and I'm going to describe the position of the cupcake. And I'm going to say the cupcake is above the apple. Your turn. Lovely, because it's higher than the apple, isn't it? It's above it. Okay, the next word is below. Below. And that's the opposite of above. So let's go back to the story stones. Here are our story stones. And I'm now going to describe the position of the sun. So the sun is below the castle, because it's underneath, isn't it? Yeah? The sun is below the castle. Or I could say the castle is above the sun. Okay, the last two words we're going to talk about are words that I think you know, but we're going to think up a way that we can learn which way is which. Okay, so the words are left and right. You know those words, don't you? Good. I'm going to teach you a trick about how to figure out which way is left and which way is right. Okay, let's go back to the story stones. Okay, here we are, the story stones, and this is my trick. Now, for the trick, you need to know what the letter OO, the capital O, looks like. So if you hold your hands out like this, left will make a O shape, but right will be a backwards ul, and that's not right. That's not right. Okay? So ul for left and nothing for right. So you could hold both your fingers, or you can hold both your fingers like this and figure out which one is left by looking at which one makes an ooh. Okay, so let's go back to our story stones. Let's shuffle them around a little bit. Okay. Let's describe the position of the apple. So, what could we say? Now that way is left. So we could say the apple is to the left of the sun. Left, that way. Okay, and right. Let's describe the position of the fire. The fire is to the right of the sun. Does that make sense? Well done, Year 1. That's all of our vocab for the next week. We need to practice that lots and lots and lots. So we're going to be playing lots of games in school where we're running to the left or running to the right, going lots of different directions and describing lots of different positions, okay? So hopefully this video will help you to do that. Okay? See you on Monday.